What is inbound marketing? Marketing has evolved dramatically over time. The Mad Men era of traditional marketing is old school. Think back to the last time you purchased a product or service. Did you wait for someone to tell you to do something? Did you call customer service and ask them details about the product? No. You probably did what most people do these days, went online and did your own research. Which means you, like billions of other people today, are a part of this revolution. It's called inbound marketing. It's a fundamental shift from old school to the new high-tech world we live in today. This strategy focuses in on attracting, educating, and empowering consumers with relevant content to what they are interested in. This content helps and guides them until they are actually ready to buy your product or service. To really understand how inbound marketing works, you first need to understand the buyer's journey. The buyer's journey is a process that they go through that takes them from the problem they have to purchasing the solution you offer that solves that problem. This process is made up of 3 stages: awareness, consideration, and decision. The awareness stage is when a person feels that the first time they have a problem, that's what we call a pain point. Once you identify this pain point, you start to do some high-level research to find out what you're going through and what you need to solve this problem. Next, you'll notice that you started to go down a rabbit hole, learning everything you can about the problem, different and best solutions, and your options on how to solve your problem. This is called the consideration stage. Finally, once you've come up for air, you reach the decision stage. This is when you've decided on a solution and start to compare vendors to make your final choice. Inbound marketing at its core is about creating relevant and good content that connects with the buyer at each stage of their journey. This means you'll actually be helping the buyer by understanding their problems and figuring out your brand's solution to their actual problem. They will identify how your brand's product truly services their needs. This is inbound way of marketing. This is how you build true brand loyalty. Content can take many forms, such as blogs, ebooks, infographics, landing pages, and of course my favorite, video. Content with context. That's what inbound marketing is. Creating an inbound marketing play for your brand will make a huge impact on building brand awareness, lead generation, and minimizing costs. This will educate your prospects and speed up the sales process all around. To summarize, inbound marketing is great for you. You are creating content that you will actually be helping the buyer by understanding their problem and figuring out how your brand's product or service truly fits their needs. Creating an inbound marketing play for your brand will make a huge impact on building brand awareness, lead generation, minimizing costs, and speeding up the sales process. Video content performs best. For more info on inbound and other marketing plays to grow your brand, check out www.digitaladvertisingplaybook.com.